There's a lot of things in life we wish we could go back and undo. Most nights in college, that one relationship your friends warned you about, the time that guy pulled out in front of you, and that colossal disaster that wreaked havoc on your website. Yeah, the one that cost you a crapload of money to fix and made you cry harder than when you watched Titanic by yourself. As a business owner, your website is a crucial part of your life and business, and when it gets messed up, you're in a world of hurt. Whether a development disaster occurs, your server crashes, or you get hacked, you're looking at major wreckage. There's astronomical repair costs. Your site could be down for an extended period, and you could lose serious revenue. Plus, your reputation suffers, your AdWord campaigns suffer, and sometimes that's only the beginning. Makes you want to weep just thinking about it. But what if there was a way to protect your site from everything? What if there was a way to turn back the clock anytime disaster strikes? Well, now there is, with CodeGuard. CodeGuard is like a time machine that lets you go back and undo any damage that happens to your site. Here's how it works. CodeGuard takes regular snapshots of your site to monitor for any changes, wanted or unwanted, and then stores the snapshots when changes have been detected. Anytime a change is made, CodeGuard can inform you to make sure the changes are legit. So, if something happens that shouldn't, a server goes down, some scumbag hacker breaks in, or your cat walks across the keyboard and deletes every important file known to man, CodeGuard lets you undo any changes with the click of a button and revert back to the last clean version of your site. Which means no more repair bills and no more tears. Awesome, right? Now, if only there was an undo button for that other stuff. Start protecting your site today.